Hello viewers, I am Gaurang Das. I am here with my language and literature YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to discuss about verb. Today, I will focus on principal verb and auxiliary verb. Please go through the underlined words in sentences shown on the screen. Please go through the words in the box on the sentences shown on the screen. The words in the box in the sentences written at the left hand side are verbs, that is action words. If you observe closely, you will find that in the first sentence, second sentence, third sentence and fourth sentence, the verb comprises of one word, and in the fifth sentence, sixth sentence and seventh sentence, verb comprises of more than one word. So the question is, what is verb? Yes, verb is a word or group of words used to tell or assert something about a person or a thing. ভার্ব শব্দটি ল্যাটিন ওয়ার্ড ভার্বাম থেকে এসেছে। ভার্বাম শব্দের ইংলিশ মিনিং ওয়ার্ড। বাক্যের সবচাইতে গুরুত্বপূর্ণ শব্দ হলো ভার্ব। উইদাউট ভার্ব দেয়ার ইজ নো সেন্টেন্স ইন ফর্মাল ইংলিশ। Study the sentences shown on the screen. The four sentences written above under group A have verb. In sentence number 1, the verbs are am and writing. In sentence number 2, verbs are and doing. In sentence number 3, verb is write, and in sentence number 4, verb is do. The verbs write and do can be used independently, but the verb am and are not able to use independently. In the column B, there are a group of words looking like a sentence, but they are not sentence because they are unable to give the complete sense of mind. On the basis of role played, the verbs can be divided into two groups: principal verb or main verb and auxiliary verb or helping verb. So the question is, what is principal verb and what is auxiliary verb? The auxiliary verbs can also be divided into two groups: primary auxiliary and modal auxiliary. We will learn about primary and modal auxiliaries at the end. Auxiliary verb. See the definition on the screen. The word auxiliary has derived from the Latin word auxilium, meaning help. So, the auxiliary verbs are also called helping verbs. They help the main verb to form tense, mood, and voice of the other verbs. They are also used to frame questions, to make negations, advising, obligation, and something more. Principal verb. Principal verbs, as the name implies, are these verbs which can be used independently in a sentence. They need the help to make tense, mood, or passive form. Sometimes asking questions and making negations, the principal verbs are also used. The principal verb detects the doer of the sentence. Now observe the sentences under column A and column B. The underlined words in both the columns are auxiliary verbs and the bold words are principal verb. But the auxiliary verbs under column A and column B are not of the same type. When auxiliaries like am, have, was, and has can change the form of the main verb, the auxiliaries like may, will, can, must, might, etc. are unable to change the form of the main verb. এই বিষয়টির উপর ভিত্তি করে auxiliary verbs can be classified into two groups: primary auxiliary and modal auxiliaries. এখানে প্রাইমারি অক্সিলারি এবং মোডাল অক্সিলারি ভার্বের একটি লিস্ট দেওয়া হচ্ছে। লিস্টটি মনোযোগ সহকারে দেখো। A few sentences are in Group A and Group B. The words shown in the boxes under Group A have been used in such a way that they perform the function of a principal verb, and the same verb in the sentences under Group B are purely auxiliary verbs. I am a student এই সেন্টেন্সে am প্রিন্সিপাল ভার্ব এর কাজ করছে এবং I am writing a letter এই সেন্টেন্সে am auxiliary ভার্বের কাজ করছে। So we can say that primary auxiliaries can perform the function as the principal verb does. Let's come to see the uses of the primary auxiliaries one by one. See the use of do as an auxiliary verb. Go through the sentences. Here we learn that do can be found in the forms do, does, and did. Do is used to form question. Do is also used to transform an affirmative sentence into a negative sentence. Now go through the sentences shown on the screen. Here be is found in 7 forms. Present tense: am, is, are. The past form of be is, was, and were, and the past participle form of be is been. Be is also used as continuous form when it is found as being. Be verb is added before principal verb in active voice to make it progressive. Be verb is added before the principal verb to make it passive. There is no sentence in passive voice where the word be in any form has not been used. Go through the examples on the screen. Have verb may be found in the form as have, has, and had. Have is used to make perfect tense. I hope you know the agreement of primary auxiliary according to person and number. The whole thing is being presented here in a tabular form for your quick revision. Now we are ready to learn the uses of modal auxiliaries. The modal auxiliaries do not have all the 3 forms: is, present, past, and past participle like the primary auxiliaries. They do not take the es form or s form. These auxiliaries don't take ing form. Considering these facts, we may call the modal auxiliaries as defective verbs. But whatever defect the modal auxiliaries may have, they are indispensable to express the following expressions of our mind. যত ত্রুটি থাকুক না কেন, মোডাল অক্সিলারি ভার্বগুলো বিশেষ বিশেষ ক্ষেত্রে অপরিহার্য। Go through the following table to see it. To express ability, the modals like can and could are used. To give suggestion, the modals like can, ought to, should are used. To denote possibility, the modals like can, could, may, might, shall, should, etc. are used. To give permission, to take permission, can, could, may, might are used. To express request, the modals like can, could, and would are used. We use may to denote prayer or wish. To express necessity, the modals like must, need, etc. are used. To express obligation, the modal must is used. To denote courage, the modal dare is used. Never forget, one modal auxiliary can be used to express more than one impression of mind. Here are some examples based on the uses of modal auxiliaries. Now see the differences between primary auxiliary and modal auxiliary. The differences has been shown in a tabular form. Primary auxiliary can be used as main verb and helping verb. Modal auxiliary is used only as helping verb and not as main verb. Primary auxiliaries have three forms: present, past, and past participle. Modal auxiliaries have only present and past forms. Primary auxiliaries have their base form and s and es form. Modal auxiliaries do not take s-es form. Primary auxiliaries follow subject verb agreement. Modal auxiliaries do not follow subject verb agreement.